So moving on to the flow explorer side. So firstly, now in the flow part, there are two things. First is that how different type of flows like S flow, J flow, net flow, IP fix, all these different type of flows, okay, how they are getting generated onto the device and how they are forwarded. So specifically for the flow settings, we have this port mapping, so we can always map the port. So this is again customer centric, so they can map any specific port over which they want to forward the flows to the system. Okay, we can also define the aggregation time, whether it is an egress volumes or ingress, both can be defined from here. Now, again, the flows would be forwarded over these ports that are defined within the system. Also from the backends, we can do it. Okay, and now once the flow has been forwarded, system will have all the flow data on the flow visualization dashboard, where it showcases that which are the top 5 application utilizing the highest flows, which are the top 5 conversations in your network, with what is application wise, what is egress byte, ingress byte, packet types and everything. Okay, plus top 5 endpoints which are consuming the highest flow, like it can be any type of flow, and over any protocol it would be. Again, one of this is the widget which showcases the entire flow type on all these protocols, like over which protocol the flow has been forwarded, like it is over TCP, UDP, ICMP, IPv6, how. Okay, now we can also see the top 5 source interfaces by their traffic volume. Now, here on the flow side as well, we have the explorer part, okay, wherein the system gives us a flexibility of creating the Sankey charts. Okay, these Sankey charts are specifically for showcasing that how the actual traffic is flowing from source IP to destination IP, over which protocol that they are forwarded, how much is the total volume of bytes that system is consuming. Okay, and it can go around any counter event that we select. Now, moreover, system showcases every flow data over here in the timestamp manner, which showcases that, okay, this is a source port, this is a source IP, this is destination IP, destination port from this specific device, this is the event source, over this protocol the flow are being forwarded, and what is the total number of bytes that it is consuming. Okay, so this is how entire explorer will showcase us that how different flows are being forwarded. Okay, and how the data is basically uh, migrated. Okay, now, moreover, for the flow part, we also have a very predefined dashboard, which showcases everything in a beautiful Sankey chart manner. So there is a flow summary part. Now, in majority of use cases, in majority of client cases, we come across such widgets where it showcases that, let's say currently the client's headquarter is in this specific region. So how different type of flow is forwarded to different countries. So we can say that, okay, to this countries, this is a total average number of bytes being forwarded. These are the different countries, right? That how the data flow is done. Same way, if we go to this part, again, as I mentioned, that the Sankey charts would mention you that how the traffic is from source to destination, the traffic is forwarded over which protocol as well. Volume bytes per application wise. So application wise, how much volume bytes are being consumed, that the system would showcase. Plus, these are the major two widgets that showcases more on the flow side, like the top traffic, the maximum traffic in any infra, right? As per the source domain. So we can see that, okay, this specific uses the highest traffic. In fact, we can see that, okay, Google is consuming this much of volume bytes in the network. Then there is a application or any other source, right? Application, database, anything which consumes the highest traffic in the flow side would be showcased on this widget. Same goes for the destination domain as well. That destination wise, okay, we can see over here that Amazon is consuming this much volume of bytes as a destination domain. right? So what are the destination addresses that majorly are being accessed and majorly the flow is being forwarded? Okay, so these are the destination domain. So this is how the entire flow part would be captured. Okay. Plus one more thing, that as I mentioned, that any kind of a flow that we are looking at can be forwarded to the system. Okay. Their aggregation can be done, their summation can be done, and everything as a visualization, we would be able to showcase on the dashboards itself.